All right, problem statement 6. What's the equation of the parent function graph to the right? Now, once again, just like earlier, we've only talked about 2 different parent equations this year. Our first one was the linear, which is y equals x, and the second is the quadratic, which is y equals x squared. This is a parabola, so we can't use the linear one. We have to use the parabola, which is y equals x squared. Now, part B, write an equation of a quadratic function that is reflected across the y-axis. So, first off, let's start with the parent, y equals x squared. To reflect it, I have to put a negative on the beginning. Remember, a negative in front of x squared will reflect it down and make it be this direction. And then vertically translated 3 units up. Well, to move things up, I have to add numbers on the end. So add 3. So if I'd wanted to shift it down, I would have done minus 3. So that's going to take the reflection and then move it up by 3 units. So put it there. Now, on to the last part. Describe the effect of each transformation. Well, we've got our number 1/3 in front of x squared. Now, the coefficients of x are going to cause it to either stretch or compress. Bigger than 1 is stretch, smaller than 1 is compress. This is smaller than 1, so it is a vertical compression. And then that is by a factor of 1/3. Now our numbers on the end, remember I add something in the end, that is a translation. So that is a vertical translation by 2 units up. And I was up because it was a plus. If it had been a minus, it would have gone down. Now, our last one, we've actually got 2 of them listed on here. The negative, just like we said above, the negative is a vertical reflection. The 4, or the numbers in front of x squared, are going to be a compression or a stretch. Larger than 1 is a stretch. So this is a vertical stretch by a factor of 4.